This is Ken. Ken just closed a major deal and provided an excellent service. But when it was time to get paid, he asked a corporate client to transfer almost ₦1 million into an account named after him rather than his business. Don't be like Ken. Why? You're asking me why? Because every time you do that, you are slamming a door in your own face. You are telling that client, I am a temporary hustle, not a permanent institution. And we don't want that. Welcome to Financial Literacy 103 Episode 2. It's me, Richard. Last week, we talked about the solopreneur's trap and why you need to register your business. Today, we are taking the next critical step. We are talking about opening the right doors, how and why you must open a proper structured business account to separate your hustle from your life. Grab your notepads. It is time to build a bankable business. Let's talk about the invisible ceiling holding your business back. You have a great product. The customers love you, but you're stuck. You cannot get corporate contracts and you cannot get a bank loan. You know why? Because in the formal economy, your business does not exist. A personal bank account is designed for personal living. It is designed to buy groceries, pay for data, send money to your siblings, and pay your rent. See, when you mix your personal and business finances, you create financial chaos. Look, imagine a bank manager looking at your statement to approve a working capital loan. What do you think that they see? They see a 500k deposit from a client, immediately followed by a 15k withdrawal at a lounge at 2 a.m. and 20k for a grocery run at 12 p.m. Sinzu spending. Slow down. The bank manager doesn't see a business. They see a massive risk. They cannot calculate your profit margin. They cannot see your business's operating expenses. They just see someone eating their capital without boundaries. And when there is no clarity, the answer is always no. Structure is what attracts capital, and without a dedicated business account, you are basically unbankable as a business. So, what exactly is the difference? Why can't you just open a second personal account and use it for business? Because a proper business account is more than just a storage box for cash. It is your business's financial passport. For example, when you open a business account with Sterling Bank, it is legally tied to your Corporate Affairs Commission registration and your tax identification number. It unlocks a few things. First, legal identity. When a multinational company or a government agency wants to pay you, their procurement department requires an account name that exactly matches the invoice. It's not a joke. Second, scale. Personal accounts have restrictive limits on how much money can move in and out daily. A business account is built for volume. As your business scales to millions of naira a day, your account scales with you without getting frozen for suspicious activity. Third, business tools. A personal account doesn't give you merchant capabilities. With a business account, you can integrate payroll if you hire staff. You can access invoice discounting. You stop playing in the shallow end of the pool and swim into the deep end of commerce. From the moment your account is active, 100% of your business revenue must go into it. I do not care if a client is buying a 2,000 naira cupcake or a 2 million naira consulting package. Every single naira must hit that business account first. Why are we being this strict, you ask me? Because your bank statement is your business's CV. If you are diverting funds, putting some in your personal account, keeping some in cash, and putting some in the business account, you are artificially lowering your own revenue on paper. See, when you finally need a loan, the bank will look at your statement and say your business only makes ₦1 million a month when you make 4 million, but you hit 3 million from the system without even knowing. Simply put, you cannot ask a bank to trust you with their money when you don't even trust your own business account with yours. Think about it. Class dismissed. Now remember, a bankable business is not built on vibes. It is built on systems. So if you want to stop struggling and start scaling, here are 3 systems to implement this month. Number 1, open and maintain a proper business account. Number 2, route 100% of your business revenue to that account. Update your invoices and inform all your recurring clients that your payment details have officially changed to a business account, and watch them rate you higher. Number 3, keep track of your overhead and ensure your personal earnings never clash with business revenue and profit. At this point, you guys are my guys now. Go to the comments and tell me, what is the biggest excuse you've been using to avoid opening a business account? Come, let's fix it together. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it to whoever you think needs to see this. We'll appreciate you. See you next time, and don't forget to build a business worth banking on.
How you feel when you have found the one?